Do you want to know how to edit this glittery gold calligraphy name? Easy. All you need is PixArt application. Now let's do it. First click this text and type the name of the celebrant. Click Fonts and go to Calligraphy. Then choose the calligraphy style you want. Add at and the celebrant age. Then just adjust it. Save it by clicking this. Then discard it. Add it again by clicking this Add Photo. Add sticker and search for gold glitter background. Now click Blend and swipe it to multiply. Save it and discard it again. Now add it again cause we put white border on it. We're done.